Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to make a chicken. We are going to make chicken stir fry. So first we have my ingredients here. I have my green cut onion, red onion. I have my green cut green pepper, red pepper. I have my carrot. Then my chopped coriander. Then here I have my chicken strips. So first we start by marinating our chicken strips. So first I'm going to put my garlic paste. Secondly, I'm going to put my chili spice to make it spicy. Put some oil, cooking oil. Season with some salt to taste. Then I'm going to add my Texas sauce. Then we mix together.